Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus m divided by m multiply m is equals to m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, you see here this m is added by 2 times. So here when we take common m, we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1, and it is divided by, in the same pattern you see here, these are the two same base terms are multiplied by each other. So we write it as m times m becomes here m square, and this whole equation is equals to m. And now further in the next step we need more simplification here. So we move the term m square from left hand side to the right hand side. It is divided by, here when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this m. And here we have 1 plus 1 becomes 2 times of m is equals to m square multiplied by m becomes here m cubed. So further in the next step we move here 2m to the right hand side, and we get m cubed minus 2m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further you see here both of these two terms involve m, so that we take common m from here and we get the remaining values are m square minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we find the other roots, so that we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get m square is equals to plus 2. And now for other roots of m, we need to remove the square sign, and for this we apply square root on both of the sides. So you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here m is equals to square root of 2. And you know that when we apply square root on both of the side, we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side, and we write here into the right hand side. So these are the other two roots of the given equation. And finally here we get there are three roots of the given equation, in which these two roots are plus minus square root of 2, and we have m is equals to 0 be the third root of the given equation. So now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So further we verify these roots, and for this first we copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus m divided by m multiplied by m is equals to m. And here, so in this side we verify m is equals to plus square root of 2, and in this side we verify m is equals to minus square root of 2. So first we verify both of these two roots, and then we move towards our third root. So now here we substitute m is equals to square root of 2 on both of the sides, and this will be written as square root of 2 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is equals to square root of 2. So first we verify this root, and here you see that 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 becomes 2 times of square root of 2, and square root of 2 multiplies square root of 2 becomes square root of 2 and its whole square, and this is equals to square root of 2. So further, so here we need more simplification, and this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 2 times of square root of 2 divided by 2 is equals to square root of 2. And now you see that this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here square root of 2 is equals to square root of 2. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the first root is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second root of the given equation, and we put m is equals to minus square root of 2 on both of the sides, and we check its behavior, and we get minus square root of 2 minus square root of 2 divided by minus square root of 2 multiplied by minus square root of 2 is equals to minus square root of 2. So here we need more simplification, and you see that minus square root of 2 minus square root of 2 becomes minus 2 times of square root of 2, and in the same pattern we get here minus square root of 2 and its whole square, and this is equals to minus square root of 2. And now you see that the square of minus square root of 2 becomes here positive 2, and this will becomes minus 2 times of square root of 2 divided by 2 is equals to minus square root of 2. And now you see that this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus square root of 2 is equals to minus square root of 2. So again both of the sides are equal. This means that the second value of m is also satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we move towards our third value of m. So the third value of m is equals to 0. So now we verify m is equals to 0, and for this we put this value of m on both of the sides of the given equation, and it will becomes 0 plus 0 divided by 0 multiplies 0 is equals to 0. So this shows that 0 plus 0 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. And you very well know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value m is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we called that m is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous rule because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further you see here we can here we have there are two values that is satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set of the given question is m is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus m divided by m multiply m is equals to m. So here our second method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So we have m plus m becomes 2m divided by m multiply m becomes m square, and this is equals to m. And you see that this m and this 1m is cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 2 divided by m is equals to m. And now we move this m to the right hand side, and we get 2 is equals to this m is multiplied by this m, and we get here m square. And now for the values of m we need to take square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, this will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here m is equals to this is square root of 2, and when we apply square root on both of the side, we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side, and we get here plus minus square root of 2. So you see that in the second method we again get the values of m are plus minus square root of 2, but in the first method we already verified that both of these two roots satisfied our given question statement. And finally we say that the solution set of the given question is plus minus square root of 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.